Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna see if you guys are actually hearing me. I might actually look for like a mic or something so that you guys can easily hear me. So this is going to be a monthly vlog. I've decided that each month maybe I should put in one vlog each. Oh, the lighting has suddenly become bad. Let me just start this video again. Hi guys, I'm not sure why the lighting, it was a bit lighter when I started this video and now it's bad. So I'm gonna be doing monthly vlogs. I tried to do a daily vlog, but I saw sometimes I try to do a video a day, you might end up forgetting, and then the video will be like 5 minutes long. So now I'm gonna start back and doing like monthly vlogs. So I'll put one vlog each month. So today is a Saturday. I'll probably doing next time on weekends guys, because that's where you've got some things to do. So today is a Saturday. Now she didn't end up gym, but then I forgot my card. No, it's not even my card. I shared with my sister, so my sister had the card, so I ended up walking. And when I was walking, I was just like, let me go into this shop. So it's like a warehouse shop. So I just found a trick suit that I might like, so I'm gonna quickly change, see if it fits, because it's on sale. Then fit, I'll buy it. Okay guys, this is the track suit. It might actually go, this side didn't come with that Isiango, but it might actually go with like a white t-shirt and then some white sneakers. Yeah, because I'm gonna be traveling soon, so I thought it was really affordable. It's just like $10. Sounds like $10, which like, I mean, it's like 5 or 7 US in my US dollars. So I was like, yeah, maybe I might take it. It seems to fit well. I'm thinking maybe I should. I don't know if I should take it, but I feel like it's okay. I actually found another one, but I feel like skirt or something, like the legs are too flat, like so I don't think I would go for this one. I'd rather do the first one. Oh my god guys, I just realized that I was doing a 2 minutes video, and I did not press the play button. So now I was just saying I didn't end up taking anything because I realized that the other one was not nice. I already have it, but I get a jogger but I didn't have the one is not jogger. But I was like, it's the same color, so I don't think I would need two similar things of the same color, and then so I left it. So this is I wanted to show you the shop that I was in. It's like I think Zimbabwe there's no shops like this, but I would say comparing to South Africa, this is like what do you call it, Mr. Price. Those are right. It's got cheap stuff, but the things are not always nice. Sometimes here and there, that's where you get nice things. But yeah, let me quickly show you. So that's the shop. That's the one that I was in. Guys, so I'm back at the mall where the gym is. So now I'm going back. Guys, so I'm back with my other sister. She's now bothering me to buy her this what do you want? Which one?
That one. The blue one.
The blue one. Why? That one is too big. We can share that one.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna, what do you do here? Pay by card, right? And then make your choice. 10. Isn't that?
That's 12.
Okay. And then I need to okay. I always like this type of vending machines. They're better than old ones. So guys, everyone is finished with their exercises since for Saturday morning. Now we are deciding where we should go for breakfast. After gym breakfast. Oh my god. Should we go into the car? But the parking is going to be tight there. So let's go. So I'm just going where we parked our car. The lighting and it's very bad, but anyway, let me cut it off. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we reach there. What's the address so that we can go? So it's overlooking the hospital. It's like a hospital cafe because we are gonna need to go there after we are done there. So that's why we are here. But let me look at the menu and see what I want. Flat white, mango smoothie, and mine is like a frappe, but it looks like a smoothie. So this is my sister's food. She got some tacos. And then this is my mom's food. She got the English breakfast. So thank you. Yes, and this is my French toast. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. Oh my god, guys, what a day, what a day. So yeah, it was over. I think I last did the food video, food. I didn't like my food. It was just too honey, too syrupy, so I ended up actually eating some of my mom and sister's food instead because I didn't like mine. But yeah, we ended up going to the hospital. Then after the hospital, we were looking for like a mirror, so we were at at the mall, one of the biggest mall here, Wandogarakuno. So now I'm going home. I'm just gonna, after I think I might just sleep a little bit. Then maybe around 3-4 I might start cleaning because I'm so tired. I'm so tired, so tired. And it's so hot today. The whole week it's been. I might actually end this video here the first day, and then I'll see if there's any other exciting days that I'll have that I can put in the vlog. But yeah, don't forget to please like this video, subscribe, and share and comment your thoughts. If you want me to do my video in a certain way, I can do that. Any tips? I know some people wanted me to speak in like English a lot rather than Shona, but I'll try and just mix here and there and Chingodaro. Hi guys, so now I'm at home. I think I'd said I was going to finish the vlog from last time Panda Pizza, but I just thought maybe I should do like a proper send off. So I'm now at home. I'm about to let me see if the lighting here is better. I'm about to wash the dishes. So this is my bathroom. There's like an LD light. So I'm about to don't mind my shoes, it's a bit funny. I don't know why I even bought this jacket. It's a bit funny. It's like a nightgown, but anyway, let me show you. Oh, so the lighting is so bad. So this is the jumper, the jacket that I'm wearing. Oh, I don't know. It's a very fair juicy, but it's not a jacket, but it's not that nice. I think my camera becomes a bit but the juice is not that nice. But I was like, okay, so maybe let me just use it. But anyway, this is besides the point. I show it to you what I'm wearing. So I'm about to do the dishes, bath, and sleep. and I was just getting some feedback on my video, and people said I was thinking maybe I should do my video like 30 minutes long, but I even asked ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT, I got 10 minutes. Then if it's like a travel vlog, if your video is really interesting, that's when you have to do it long. But otherwise, if it wasn't much, then just make sure 12 minutes is the standard. But anyway, so I'm gonna post it once I'm finished editing. It's not gonna be perfect or anything, but what I realized, that because I was in the sun, my acne was so bad. I even realized that I've got this new one. Like my acne has been so bad for a very long time. I think there's a video that I did 2 years ago. Like, if I tell you the amount of money that I spent on my face, she got my 10,000 doctors and everything. But anyway, I saw that it was very like visible. But anyway, I've learned to live with it. But anyway, guys, please comment, subscribe, like, and share, and any suggestions that you have. This vlog wasn't very interesting, but I hope in the future, when I'm traveling or something, I'll have something more interesting. But let me know your thoughts if you happen to see this video. I've been looking at a lot of videos in the past. I think this video is going to be a bit more long because I'm now renting. I've been looking at some of the videos in the I've been like this days, my TV has been YouTube, and I've seen that sometimes the video doesn't have to be perfect. It's not. I've seen with South Africa, they do all this cleaning, coffee, it was slowly, and I was like, I feel like for me it's just to share my life, and if you guys, there's any specific thing that you want to know, I'm always like, I can always like do a video about that as well. So I'm not going to be like this whole bougie YouTube channel. I'm just gonna be like a normal YouTube person. But yeah, and I'm really trying to target Zimbabweans, because I feel like that way we understand each other more. Because I feel like some people, like when in South Africa, they take YouTube to the next level. So yeah, okay, I'll see you on the next video. I don't know how many times I'm gonna be posting, but hopefully frequently. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm even wearing red to represent YouTube. But thank you.